All right, thanks for sending us in your question, Cecilia, about finding the inverse of a function. The first thing I've done here is just wrote out the problem you sent. Step one, you always want to, I'll kind of write here, step one, you want to switch x and y. Okay, and then step two, which we'll do in a second, then you solve for y. Okay, so it's as simple as that. Switch x and y and solve for y. So here's our function. I'm going to switch x and y. So wherever I see a y, I write x, and wherever I see an x, I write y. Okay, so you might be asking yourself, well, how do I solve for y? Well, here's what you want to do. You want to change this equation from log form to exponential form. So you start with the base. So you go 8, and then you raise it to whatever's on the other side of the equal sign. In this case, x, and then that equals whatever the argument is, which is in this case y. So there it is. So y equals 8 to the x. Now I'm going to write, instead of y, I'm going to write f inverse of x, because we're actually finding an inverse function. So it's the same thing as saying y, though. F inverse of x is the same thing as y. Alright, so there is our inverse function. Thanks for using SnapMath, and please like us on Facebook. We are trying to reach 1,000 fans. We're at about, I think, over 200 now, but feel free to please like us on Facebook and tell your friends about our site. Thanks.